Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 4th of May. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some board of it, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to shoot trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, we've seen Bitcoin go a little higher. I was wondering on Friday about a possible test of the high here. We have seen that. The RSI 5 daily sell signal has reached the possible near miss target, and I'm writing that off today because we've now come back and reached the 70 level. On the hourly chart, no current divergence. We've retested this high here. This is a potential level top. I'm not sure how much juice we're going to get out of crypto to the downside until we see some sort of a viable high on equities. I'm not convinced we're there yet. On the 15-minute chart, on the 15-minute chart, nice looking little level top here. We've gone a little higher. I do have possible alternative trend lines here if we go a little higher, but overall this is extremely likely to be a bear flag. Sooner or later this is likely to retest the low here at 60.1k, but it's likely to do that in conjunction with equities going down. In terms of Solana, we've really barely moved in weeks. The very, very small amounts of movement lately. No current divergence on the daily chart. We are slightly below the daily middle band. I've got that at 85.36 and we're currently at 84.01. On Bitcoin, of course, we're above. I've got the middle band at 76.964 and we're currently a couple of thousand above that at just under 79,000. On the Solana hourly chart, no current divergence. We are compressing here. This looks like a rough bearish triangle, a bearish consolidation. So in due course, I'm expecting this to break down towards and retest this low here at 67.65, and I'm not seeing anything to change that opinion. We do still have an IHS which is broken up with a target at a retest of 97.66, but that's shown absolutely no sign of playing out. And it's not quite failed, but if it goes down below 81.31, that IHS will fail. We got down to 81.38 last week. Okay, looking at the Ethereum chart, we are now in week 4 of testing the weekly middle band as resistance. That is a very good resistance level. Of course, Bitcoin broke above it and has closed a second week above it. But normally I'd be expecting if we see a fail here to see it in the first or second week. Now is the second week. Looking at the daily chart, we had an RSI 5 sell signal that reached the possible near miss target as well, so I think that is likely done. I was wondering on Friday about a possible retest of this high here to set up a double top. We haven't quite seen that yet. No current divergence on the hourly chart, and on the 15-minute chart, overall this is a bear flag, but it's not a particularly nice bear flag. But I mean, it's the least well formed of the three, but still decent, and in due course I'm expecting this to retest the low here at 17.46.93. So we shall see. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none. In which case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers.